I'm back, guys. It's the next day. I unfortunately don't have that diff back. I figured I should be productive this afternoon, and I mounted a race seat back in the Rx7. But there is one little tiny problem with it. I had the Sparco Sprint seats in it originally, which are a lot smaller. And the reason I put those in was last season I did have the Sparco Evo 2 seat in it. You couldn't shut the door without moving the seat because the seat's too big. What I had to do with this one, I had to remove the door panel. I worked on that all afternoon, had to run out and get a few things. So it's almost 9 o'clock now. I gotta go make some phone calls. I'm looking for a spot to get some tuning done, and we're gonna go from there. But hopefully I'll get back with you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I'll have that diff tomorrow. I'll come back at you tomorrow. As you can tell, I got the diff back. Got it all put back in the housing. Looks good, turns good. I had to clean it first just in case any of the slag off the welder got onto the main pinion gear, ring gear. Don't want that shit shaking everything up and chewing it up. So now the fun part, getting that thing back in the car. Okay, it's gonna be tough. You can't see nothing underneath there, so I'm just gonna get that thing mounted and I'll keep filming after. All right, guys, we're in business. This is like hopefully the final day of putting this thing back together. It's Friday. This video was filmed basically all week long, so you got all week crammed into this little vlog. So all I got left to do really is put everything, well, make sure everything's tight. Just go over the nuts and bolts and check everything's there. I put everything back on already. Then we gotta put some oil in the diff. I think I found a solution for that. And then test it out. And if it's good, we're going to the track tonight. Step number 1, make sure everything's tight. Don't want to lose any parts on the track. That would totally suck. Or have a breakdown because of a silly mistake. Double check everything always. Triple check if it makes you feel better. Step number 2, putting some differential oil in. So I have the proper oil that I got from back when I was racing my 8.6. That was from a sponsor. Now to get the oil into that thing, the Rx7, I bought this. I hope it works. You're supposed to be able to pump any kind of fluid with that, any kind of liquid, and also air, so that's kind of weird. But anyways, open the top plug and fill it up till it drips out a bit. You don't want to overfill it. It takes 1.3 liters, and lucky for me, I'm pretty sure I have exactly 1.3 liters. So, drain plug is up here, and the filler plug, I should say. I don't know if I can get that ratchet in there. Sure hope so. There's a will, there's a way. That's it. Pump it up. It's got pressure. That part goes in the diff. Now, I'm going to assume the other end goes into the bottle. And we pump it up and pray that it works. Come on, baby. Please work. It's actually pretty hard to push, but it is pretty thick oil. So it's gonna be a good workout. So basically we're gonna keep doing this until it starts leaking out. Okay, that one's empty. So let's get into this one. Try to keep the hose primed, like fluid in it, because it takes a while to pump that back up. So here we go. Oh yeah. Alright, should be good. Put the drain plug back in. Oh no, it don't fit. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, it's not the best thing in the world to do, but I'm going to use an adjustable wrench on this thing. It's like a drain plug on an oil pan. Seems like if you don't even put it on tight, the next time you try to take it off, it's impossible. So I'm not gonna put it on crazy tight. Okay. Woo. We're good. Now it's just time to put her on the ground and see if she makes some sound. Okay, so it works. It works. It's pretty rough, but it works. It didn't break in the driveway, so I guess it's good to go. There was a little problem with I've got a loose battery somewhere, a loose wire somewhere, and it keeps killing it. So hopefully that doesn't happen tonight, but we're in business. This is gonna be fun. So I'm gonna gather all the tools and stuff I think I'm gonna need tonight, and then just load up the truck, bring the car to the track. Okay, got the car loaded, everything's ready to go. But I forgot to film any of that, so sorry about that, guys. Check it out. We're at the Naperville Dragway. Rx7 on the back. I haven't done this in a long time. I'm probably really gonna suck at it, but whatever. It's fun. I see a 240 there. I think I hear some tires squealing, so there's a couple drift guys here. More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari. Car's warming up. Camera's out of focus. But looks of it, there's only like 3 or 4 of us that are actually drifting tonight. Let's take a little look at the track and kind of see what we're up against, I guess, what we're doing. Let's check it out. Looks like he's practicing some solid techniques like you're supposed to. Anyways, this is the track. It's actually pretty big since last time I was here. You can do some cool stuff here for sure. That totally sucks. I have no cameraman, so I'm gonna have to do this on my own. wish I had a cameraman. I think I still got tire left too. Yep, this one's good. A little bit of thread come off the other one. That's okay. So that's about it for me because I'm out of gas. I didn't burn 2 sets of tires, I only went through 1. This guy here with the white Genesis.
Dans un mur.
That's rad. Yes, sir. That's my new friend, Steve. Holy shit. This guy knows what's up. Tells me it's only like 6th time here. It's pretty good. It's a brand new car. That's the fun thing about coming out here and drifting, is that you meet people that are into the same thing, and it's like everybody wants to help each other. It's pretty cool. Like I gave him the camera, he filmed me, I filmed him. You know, it's like a little trade-off. Good times. About ready to leave. For the first time out with the Rx7, it went well. Very happy. Car didn't break. I ran out of gas. Still have a set of tires left. It's cool. Can't wait to come back. So that's it for tonight. Like I said, man, do something that makes you happy every day. This for me makes me very happy. I love it. So, till next time, guys, peace. Stay happy.
Oh, yeah, no, 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 yeah, no, no, no.